Hey, what's up guys? So let's quickly compare the specs of the Cubot KingKong Star with the Doogee V20 Pro. So before we dive into the comparison, I just want to point out the top features of these two rugged phones. So the V20 Pro supports thermal imaging, the KingKong Star doesn't. While the KingKong Star has a rear display, which obviously the V20 Pro lacks. So these are the top features of these two rugged phones. If you're new here and you're interested in comparison videos and tech updates, then kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dig in. So there we go guys, the KingKong Star versus the V20 Pro. I didn't mention the prices of both devices. Just so you know, the price of the KingKong Star is about $300 and I expect the KingKong Star to be sold for less once it's launched. The Doogee V20 Pro, I think it's currently sold for about $378. But basically, the V20 Pro is a little bit expensive than the KingKong Star. Anyway, I'd like to hear your thoughts about these two rugged phones, so feel free to share them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.